This video has been created by the uOttawa Library. At the end of this video, you will know how to make use of the library's ebook collection. The library has access to the collections of many different ebook providers. Certain providers allow for unlimited access, but there are others that only offer access to a limited number of students at a time. For some books, access is limited to one person at a time. To make it easier for everyone to access the library's resources, we ask you to please follow these steps the next time you access an ebook. Search for your book using its title or keywords in Omni, the library's catalog. Use filters to restrict the results to ebooks. Then click on the title you're looking for. Sign in using your uOAccess credentials. Your browser will direct you to the platform of the company that has published the book. Take a few seconds to look at the details of the book. For example, this one offered by ProQuest allows access to only one user at a time. You can easily identify the chapters required by your professor by using the table of contents. Simply download and save the chapters to your computer or print them out. Here's a second example using the EBSCO platform. You can easily use the table of contents to download any chapters of the books. To do this, look for the download symbol next to the chapter titles. How many pages are you allowed to download? The number varies with each provider, but they allow for large quotas, renewed every 24 hours. In fact, each platform clearly indicates the number of pages available for download. In our example, this is right on the home page. It is important to remember two things. First, we ask you not to try to download an entire book. If you do it, you will block the access of all your classmates for several days. On the other hand, if you download chapters instead of the whole book, you can simply save them on your laptop to access them anytime, thus allowing your classmates to download their chapters. Secondly, once you have downloaded your required chapters, we ask you to please close the tab in your browser that displays the contents of the book in order to render it accessible to your colleagues. If you're trying to access a book and you are not able to, it's because another student is using it. We ask you to please wait a while and try again. We are always available to help. Go to biblio.uottawa.ca to chat with us. Call us at 613-562-5213 or email us at bibliolibrary@uottawa.ca. It is always a pleasure to hear from you.